girls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today. It has been so freaking cold, you guys, in California. It has been raining all week and my hair is just not cooperating with me whatsoever, so I'm looking a little crazy today. I also need to go get these roots done, but I'm having a hard time deciding if I am going to go back to my roots and go back to brunette or if I'm going to stay blonde. You guys have only seen me blonde. I think when I started my channel, I had just actually gone blonde. So I was in the process of getting platinum. It was like a darker honey blonde, but I've always been blonde on my channel. So I think I'm ready to stop frying my hair because I can't even get it to grow. It just breaks and breaks no matter what I do. I use Olaplex. I use freaking good products. I do a conditioning treatment once a week. I use leave-in conditioners, and I only use high-end good products like Pravana and Olaplex and just the best of the best for my hair. And it's still just, I mean, it's fried. It's just fried. It's platinum blonde. I mean, it looks healthy to the naked eye, but it's so not. It's so fried. So I've been debating going back because I can't do this anymore. But that's not why we're here today. I always do this. I always go off on these tangents and end up just like rambling and talking on and on with you guys. It's because I don't see you guys very much. So I feel like when I do get on, I have so much to say and so much to catch you guys up on. And then we get stuck here for a whole hour. But we're not doing that today. No. So I don't know if you guys have been with me at least recently. You guys know I did a haul a little while ago. It was like a drugstore haul. And I bought this charcoal stuff. It's the Natural Miracle Teeth Whitener. And it's activated coconut charcoal powder. And it's supposed to whiten your teeth. And I promised you guys I would be doing a video on it, but obviously it was going to take a little bit of time before I could do said video on it because I got to give it time to work. I haven't been very consistent with it until the last like 2 weeks. So I'm only going to base this on my last 2 weeks of using it because I wasn't consistent enough with it. So let's go ahead and get into a little bit about this product. Okay, so this Natural Miracle Teeth Whitener claims to be really safe and gentle on your teeth and gums. It claims to be all natural. It's supposedly just activated charcoal and orange seed oil and bentonite. I don't even know what that is. Probably should have looked it up, but I didn't. And it's just this charcoal black powder. I really think it's just charcoal. It says to use twice daily for 1 to 2 minutes. It says to brush gently and dampen your bristles first, dip it in the powder, and then brush your teeth gently for 1 to 2 minutes. And it says for best results, use just before your regular brushing and flossing routine. So before you go make your mouth all minty fresh, you'll want to use this first. And it says it does not contain fluoride and it is not intended to protect against cavities. Use of this product does not replace the need for regular cleanings by a dental professional. Now, I'm really skeptical of these as seen on TV type products because half the time they work, half the time they don't. Half the time that they do work, they're kind of just they barely do what they say. So that's why we are testing this out today. Just an FYI, I picked this up at, I want to say it was like CVS. Yeah, it was CVS. And normally it retails for $19.99. I found it online for $19.99. But I bought it 50% off at CVS. So I only paid $9.99 for it. That should have told me right there everything I needed to know. there's a reason why it's not lying off the shelves, because these are just so gimmicky. There has been a lot of claims though about activated charcoal and it being really good for your teeth, and I just really wanted to try it. I am a smoker, longtime coffee drinker, but I don't drink coffee anymore. I had to give up all caffeine, which was really hard, but it had to do with my thyroid and panic attacks, and so I'm trying to like cut out all the bad crap for me. So got rid of caffeine, but I was a long time coffee drinker, and I'm still a current smoker, and had severe staining after the last time I did get my teeth professionally bleached years ago. As a matter of fact, it was, I can't remember, it was right after I had my kids. I ended up getting them bleached. Like, I think after I had my youngest son, I got them bleached. But what I didn't realize is after having them bleached and smoking on top of that, my teeth were like, they went twice as bad as they were before I got them bleached. And I think the bleaching took off my enamel, my protective layer, and left them fully exposed, so my teeth just sopped up all the yuckiness. So I am so embarrassed by my smile, and it's mostly not even so much to do with the straightness, just mostly the colors. So I wanted to try something, especially all natural. Those Crest white strips, I used those before years and years ago, like I want to say in my late teens, early 20s, and those hurt my teeth so bad. They work, but they hurt my teeth so bad, and my teeth became so sensitive after it. I don't recommend them to anybody. They're so horrible for your teeth, so do not use those. But this activated charcoal was worth a shot, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and get into showing you how this works, and I'll give you my review at the end. So we're just getting this open, and just opening it, it's already making a hella mess. And what you're going to want to do is wet your brush and then dip into the jar, which doesn't seem very hygienic to me, but oh well, we're going to do what it says. And then you just dust it off and start brushing. I learned from the first time I used this not to use a sonic toothbrush because it splatters everywhere. Now, that's after the first time of doing it again, hardcore, and then here's 2 weeks later, and they look no different, you guys. I know the lighting sucks in here, so here's a better one of it in better lighting, and they look no different. Okay, you guys just saw a little bit about what I went through with this stuff. First of all, the stuff is really, 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 really messy, period. Point blank. You guys saw it gets everywhere. I actually wish I would have like took a picture of like all the black splatter marks all over my bathroom, because I have like, you know, like a sonic toothbrush, so like the vibrations from it just forced it to just splatter everywhere. So I think I should have used a regular toothbrush with it. I'm sure that would make it a lot better, but even with it off, like, and you're brushing, that stuff just gets everywhere. As a matter of fact, it wasn't just the sonic toothbrush. If you can get past that black part, no, it does not whiten your teeth. I do think maybe it made it a shade lighter, but that's it. It's not anything dramatic, but my teeth have never felt cleaner than after using that. Like, that stuff really went in there and like just gently, like, I feel like it exfoliated my teeth, you know? Again, didn't lift any staining, but it definitely like left my teeth feeling so clean. I couldn't do this, as you guys saw in the video. This is not something I recommend to do every day, not even twice a day. This ripped my gums up. I brushed really soft with it, and even when I do, it still ends up like cutting my gums up. Like, as soon as I hit that Listerine, I feel every little part that it cut my gums to shreds. And I'm not even brushing with my brushing it up on my gums, just my teeth, but just the lining right here. Oh my God, it made it so sensitive. That's why I quit using it after like the first couple of days, because it just hurt so bad. So I just had to kind of, go back, maneuver, and just make sure I'm really gentle at the gum line and just keep it mostly down here. If you want something that's just going to make your teeth feel really, really clean, this is worth it. But if you're wanting an actual teeth whitener, I don't think this is it. Activated charcoal, like I said, has a lot of really great claims with basically getting all the toxins out of your mouth and everything like that. So I think this is great for that. But you can just go buy a big bag of activated charcoal for a lot cheaper, and it'll take you a lot farther. So I recommend just buying some activated charcoal. I don't think you need this. It was worth a shot, but it's a thumbs down. It's a no-go. My teeth are like I said, they're no whiter, and my gums are ripped to shreds. So, and it's not Desi Glam Life approved, again, for that. And I don't want you to go waste your money on just having your teeth feel a lot cleaner. There's good toothpaste and stuff out there for that. But I do recommend trying the activated charcoal. I do think activated charcoal will now forever be a big part of my dental hygiene. Just because I love how clean my teeth feel all day. Like, they just feel so clean all day long until you get home to brush at night. Activated charcoal, yes. This for a teeth whitener, no. So that's all I have for you guys today. I do have a surprise coming up for you guys next week. I normally used to do a lot of giveaways on this channel, and I haven't done one in a while. I just haven't gotten around to it, but this week I will have a little bit of extra money, so I want to go pick up a gift for you guys and just to do something fun for our channel. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be next weekend. I won't have time to get shopping until like late next week. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.